안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Okay, mengod to. So, Kisha, sir,
Kisha is already at school.
at the school right now. So, you will receive the delivery for Kisha. She have 5 box of choco pie. And for Jocelyn, Tiny, and Jane, 5 box each. And they have 500 pesos each also. For Jocelyn, Tiny, and Jane, and for Kisha. And that is all from Amagetonim.
아마게토님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
바이바이.
안녕하세요, Teacher Gretchen and Jocelyn.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver the funds of Jocelyn. Worth 10,000 pesos, and please count. Okay, and that is from Ichangunim.
이창근님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. For Jocelyn.
Okay, bye-bye.
감사합니다.
안녕하세요, Teacher Ninya.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so where is Elna?
Elna is at school. They're having a class pictorial today.
Okay, so please relay the message for Elna. She needs to pass the multiplication test and to enter the study room. Okay, and kindly receive the 5 box of pizza, and she also have 1,000 pesos pocket money, and kindly take a picture kanang to while she eat the pizza. Okay, and that is from Tysonin.
Taisanim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. For Elna.
Okay,
감사합니다.
thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
안녕하세요, Desiree.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so lately we forgot to bring the can. Okay, kindly receive the can for you. Okay, what more? Wala na? Sure ka wala na?
Yes.
Okay, so that is from SB Nim.
Uncle Sbini, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Ate Kisha.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so since you're at school lately, it is because you're in afternoon class, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so here is your choco pies, 5 choco pies, and also your 500 pesos allowance from Amagetonim.
아마게토님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
감사합니다. Study well, ha? Okay, fighting?
파이팅!
Bye-bye. Good night.
안녕하세요. Thank you for the egg, fruit, and milk. Uncle Gigong Dore, Timjangin, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. Thank you for this school supply. 감사합니다. Bye-bye. 안녕하세요. 남현규님, thank you for the rice and milk. 감사합니다.
Annyeonghaseyo, I'm here at Cebuana. So this is Christian Cebuana card.
Thank you to my fruit and snacks. Bye-bye. Kamsahamnida.